welcome to another video. This will be a short one. Yeah, we're gonna just harvest a few peas that I planted like 3 months ago. Yeah, that was actually January. I planted peas, and yeah, it's time to harvest. Yeah, peas is a cool winter crop, so this is the right time to plant some peas so you can harvest it in about 3 months. Yeah, let's harvest some peas. Yes, today gonna just pick some peas that is growing here and that is ready to harvest. I already picked from the one bed, as you can see. Already picked some peas. So I just gotta pick from this bush. Yeah, and the more you harvest of your plants, the more they will actually produce. So yeah, don't let them just grow your vegetables and leave it there to look beautiful in your garden. You just need to harvest them, and you will see it will produce more and more uh, of that uh, vegetable plant that you just harvest. Yeah, just check here. Smallest and there's big ones, small piece and big piece. Big ones is, as you can see, that one there is overripe, but it's fine. It will work. Let's check the back. Let's check here the back. Small ones. Few. You can see when they are ready to harvest, you can just like that, put your 2 fingers like that and just pull it. Yeah, another one's overripe, but yeah, you see beautiful ones here, some beautiful peas. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, yeah, that is a lot of peas, as you can see there. Lots of peas. Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Uh, yeah, that's how you pick peas, and don't forget to harvest your peas. The more you harvest, the more it will grow.